figured out about your wife. I know where you met your wife. You told me you met your wife 15 years ago on a camping trip, and that your wife was Puerto Rican. Your wife ain't no mother Puerto Rican. I thought she wasn't that first man. Because I woke up, I said, hello, it's good to meet you. My name is Barry. She said, no, I'm Bunny. Bunny Boo. What the? That's Bunny Boo for me. I don't know what the. This day. I thought I learned some new Spanish. I went to my friend, hey, Sanchez, Bunny Boo. The Sanchez said, get the out of here. So I've been walking around for years confused, and I finally figured out about your wife, being that your wife. You didn't meet your wife on no camping trip. Your wife's a Bigfoot, isn't she, Wes? Your wife is a Bigfoot, isn't she? That's why the mustache is so much big. But you shaved it down and taught her to speak. I know a mother Bigfoot when I see one. Don't bring a Bigfoot in my home, Gus, with my children. They can't talk, she can't walk a flat steps. She's not trained well, Gus. She cannot walk steps. I bet she climbed a tree, though, don't she, Gus? Trousers. He is the Rosa Parks of tight trousers.
Oh my god. Stop!